Hey guys, welcome to question FM372 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a movie streaming service has different monthly prices for different types of subscriptions. The total monthly cost for 3 child subscriptions and 1 adult subscription is $18.20. An adult subscription costs 4 times the cost of a child subscription. The cost of an adult subscription is what? And we're given 5 options. So what we've got to do here, seeing as we have 2 unknown variables, what that means to us, or what that should mean to us, is that we're going to need to create 2 equations that we can then use in some sort of solving of systems of equations. So when you have 2 unknown variables, you need 2 equations to help you figure that out. This might make a little bit more sense as we unpack this a little more. So for example, we've got a sentence up at the top that says the total monthly cost for 3 child subscriptions and 1 adult subscription is $18.20. So if we say that X is the cost of a child subscription and Y is the cost of an adult subscription, then 3 times the cost of a child subscription plus 1 times the cost of an adult subscription should equal $18.20. So there's one of our equations that we were talking about before. We're then also told that an adult subscription costs 4 times the cost of a child subscription. So 1 adult subscription is going to be the same as 4 times the child subscriptions. And here are our 2 equations that we're going to use. So from here you can grab your calculator and you can hit menu. And from there 3, which is algebra. Then 7, which takes you to solve system of equations. And then if you hit 1 after that, it'll just take you into another tab that says a similar thing. It says solve system of equations. From here, it should come up automatically with 2 equations and your variables being X and Y. If for whatever reason they're not that, I'd just change them X and Y. I would change it so that it says that you have 2 equations that you're going to be using and the variables are X and Y. From here you'll have a little thing pop up in your calculator that says solve, and then it's got an open bracket, it's got a curly bracket with 2 blank squares in it. So in those blank squares you're going to put your 2 equations. So you're going to put in 3x plus y equals 18.2, and then you're going to put in y equals 4x. From there, it should automatically have this. Once again, if it doesn't, fill it out, but it's telling you that it's going to solve for x and y in these curly brackets, and the whole thing's closed by a closed bracket. Hitting enter, you should have x equals 2.6 and y equals 10.4 pop out on your calculator there. Of course, we're looking for the cost of an adult subscription. So we're looking at this value here, the 10.4, which of course becomes $10.40, or it is $10.40, which is option D. So if you guys have any questions about this question, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.